Hello and welcome to this Learn to Draw video, and today we're going to create this really cute kawaii whale, and it's pretty easy to draw. You're going to start with a sort of circle, but it's not going to join up, so we're just going to start by drawing something that looks a little bit like a circle. I'm just going to make sure that I don't get my hand smudging my shape here, and when I get here I'm just going to go up here because I need to draw the whale's tail. So the next step is to draw the tail, and we're just going to create a sort of tail-like shape here, and you could even put a few lines in here if you like, because sometimes you will see lines on a whale's tail. And then we're just going to draw back down here to join up with the line that we had. So there's the tail of the whale, and that's really, once you've got that, you've got most of the drawing done. So the rest of it is pretty easy. We're going to draw the water coming out of the whale's spout. So I'm going to draw a couple of little sort of spout shape things here. And these are just dashed lines. Again, you want to make sure that you're not smudging your paper. So I have a spare piece of paper here that I use just to cover up my work so that I can draw without risking smudging my pen, because this pen that I'm using, which is a Stabilo worker pen, sometimes will smudge if I get my hand in the way. So now that we've done the whale spout, we're going to do the eyes of our whale, and because this is going to be kawaii, they need to be fairly big eyes and they need to be separated way apart from each other. So let's draw them here. We're going to draw two of the same size shapes here, and this is going to be a female whale because she has cute little eyelashes here. And again, because I'm going to be drawing over here, I'm going to cover up my work to make sure that I don't smudge it. And you can always turn your paper around if you think there's a risk that you're going to smudge it. That's a good idea too. So we're going to give her a little bit of blush under her cheeks, and I'm just doing that with some simple cross hatching. So just a few lines that are sort of cross hatched. I'm going to give her one of my favorite mouths. So just drawing the ends of the mouth and then a nice little smile in between it. And I like to give her a tongue, so I'm just going to draw out this sort of rounded, almost rounded rectangle shape to create her tongue. And we're going to finish off with the water because she's in the sea. Let's just give her some water to splash around in. And you could even colour that or draw that in a different colour pen. So there it is. There is our kawaii whale. She's really quite simple to draw, and she's a whole lot of fun as she splashes around in the sea. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and click over here to subscribe to my channel. We'll let you know when videos are released, and turn on notifications too, because that's a really good idea. So until next time, I'm Helen Bradley. Thank you for joining me here on Learn to Draw today.